Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to make the drop down list. So, without wasting our time, we start our video. First of all, we will select the cell where we want to make the drop down list and highlight it with the border. In home menu there is the option of border. Then we will select the border style. I will choose the thick border style. You can clearly see that border has applied here. Then we will go to the database sheet. Then we will select all the numbers we want to make the drop down list. After this, we will go to the formula menu. Click on the formula menu. Then click on define name. Here we will type any define name. I type here SN and then click on OK. After doing this, we will go back to that sheet where we want to make the drop down list. Here it is the cell on which we applied the border to make the drop down list. Now we will go to data menu and click on data validation. Here it is the data validation. As we click on data validation, a new menu appears. Now here we will click on allow and select the list. Then we will go to source option and type our define name. But before define name, we will put here is equal to sign. We have defined the name as SN and click OK. Now here you can see that drop down list has been appeared here. I hope you got this video informative. Please like and share the video, and if you are new to our channel, subscribe the channel.